In this video, I will show you how to redeem Dragon Blox codes. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox, and then in here, go ahead and search for Dragon Blox. So you can use the search bar to be able to look for that. And then on the search results, go ahead and click on the first result, such as this result, Dragon Blox by GMLBX. So in here, go ahead and click on the play button, and this will open up Dragon Blox for you. So make sure to click on the play button before you can proceed into this section. So at the left side of your screen, you'll find this menu button. So click on that. And then under this, you'll find this redeem codes button. Click on that. Now click on this area and then enter the code that you want to claim, and then click on that redeem button to redeem that for your account. So currently, I cannot redeem codes yet since I haven't used the game for more than an hour yet, and that is how you can basically redeem Dragon Blox codes.